Hello there, I'm George Denishev. It's currently the year 2022. I'm year 9 and I am making a soldering project for helping in my studies in circuits. This project is based on different games such as Snake, Tetris and others. I'm using a soldering iron over here. I'm using 350 degrees currently. And I will see you when the product is finished. We've already started and soon we'll be finished, so see you then. The first one, it's Tetris. It can play different games such as Snake, Tetris and many others. The controls are quite slick. And it's powered by 4 AA batteries. This is my project to help me in my circuits topic in school. I'm George Denishev. This was really fun to make and I hope you liked the video.